As I have said earlier, from modern history tables, now I am moving on to some medieval era history table. So we are looking forward on this important literature of Delhi Sultanates. Tahqiq-e-Hind by Al-Biruni, Tabaqat-e-Nasri by Minhas Uz-Siraj, Laila Majnu by Amir Khusro, who was also court poet of Alauddin Khilji, Khazin-ul-Futhut by Amir Khusro, Tughlaq-Nama by Amir Khusro, which gives account of Ghiyasuddin's reign, Nah Safir by Amir Khusro, poetic description of Alauddin Khilji, Fatwa-e-Jahangiri by Ziauddin Burni, Tariq-e-Firoz Shahi by Ziauddin Burni, Fatwa-e-Firoz Shahi by Firoz Shah, Kitab-e-Tahqiq by Al-Biruni, Kunan-e-Masudi by Al-Biruni, Jawahar fil Jawahir by Al-Biruni, Kamas by Firozabadi, Taj-ul-Mathir by Hasan Nizami, Chach-Nama by Abu Bakr. It describes the history of Sindh region. Luab al-Abab by Bukhari, Khamsa by Amir Khusro, Shahnama by Firdausi, Kitab-ul-Rehla by Ibn Battuta, Mift-ul-Futuhat by Amir Khusro, Multa-ul-Anwar by Amir Khusro, Aina-e-Sikandari by Amir Khusro, Hast-Bestet by Amir Khusro, Sirhin Khusro, Amir Khusro, Tariq-e-Firoz Shahi by Shams-e-Siraz Afif, Futuhus-o-Salatin by Isami. That's it. These are the important literature work during the Sultanate era. Important, this table is very important, and take a clear screenshot of this one and also this one. These all books are important, and every book has been asked in various exams. So do you memorize? Always remember that in Mughal and Sultanate period, two things are most important: the administration and the literary part. And apart from that, you should know the timeline, from which year to which year the XYZ ruler has ruled. They will ask comparison which has ruled more year in a question. So that's it. I will be looking forward to the administration part of Sultanate in the next part. So that's it.